Welcome to our Volunteer VoiceOver Rising Talent tutorial. Here's what you'll need before you start. A desktop folder with all the files you need to complete your profile, which includes a written description of who you are, your voiceover experience, and what excites you about volunteering your voice, a handful of questions and answers, a good quality headshot, and your thumbnails to add to your video and audio files. Canva is a great place to create professional-looking thumbnails, and the size should be around 1200 by 700. A solid profile makes a lasting impression with your potential nonprofit organizations. So here we go. On the home page, click on Start Here under Rising Voice Talent. But since we haven't signed up yet, click Sign Up. Enter your information here. Then choose I'm Not a Robot, because we're voiceover actors, we're not robots. And after you read the terms and conditions, now click Accept. But we strongly encourage you to read the terms and conditions because it includes all the guidelines to be part of the platform. Next, you'll get a Please Verify Your Email address sent to your email, and you'll also get a welcome message from me, which you can either read and reply or read it from your dashboard. Once that's done, exit out of that and navigate to your email. Here in your email, you'll get two emails. A welcome email which has your username and your password and a few links back to Volunteer VoiceOver, and a link to the Volunteer VoiceOver membership page. But let's just verify our email first. Some email services don't have it as a hyperlink. If it's not a hyperlink, right-click on it, hit Copy, and paste it into your browser. Okay, here it says Edit Your Profile, but you can't actually edit your profile because you're still a guest. So if you click on it, the link will take you to a page that says No Access, because only members have privileges to create a profile. So to create a membership to Volunteer VoiceOver, navigate down to Membership and click on Membership. At the bottom of the membership page, you can compare the membership versus non-membership. With no membership, you can view photos and listen to audio files. However, in the Rising Talent 3 and 6 month memberships, you have access to everything and can create a Volunteer VoiceOver profile. Since the Rising Talent 6 month membership is a better deal at $6 a month, we'll select a 6-month membership. You can pay via PayPal or credit card. However, I have a coupon code, so I'm going to enter it here and apply the coupon code. Then you click Complete Order. On this page, you can view your invoice or return to My Account. You'll also get a few notifications, but don't worry about those now because you can view all of your notifications later in your dashboard. So let's return to My Account. Now let's edit the profile. Here you simply create a title for your profile. And then in the category, choose VoiceOver. And if you identify as a male or female voiceover artist, it's important to choose your language, and if you speak more than one language, you can add it to your description, then click Next. Remember we said it helps to have pre-written descriptions, so you can just cut and paste into the description. Be as descriptive as possible when you're creating your profile, and we expect proper grammar and spelling because it just makes you look more professional. Enter any keywords that might be appropriate and choose your skills. Then click Next. In this free area, you need to write. Click here to place your free order. And remember, your work is always free to nonprofits, so it will always say 0. Select how many days you think it may take to complete a project. Usually it's about 2 days. And we're not worrying about add-ons right now, so just disregard this area. But you need to create a few frequently asked questions. I have some that are already pre-written, so I'm going to just cut and paste them in. See how easy that makes it? Once you've done all your frequently asked questions, go to the bottom and click your availability. You can change this in your dashboard too. Now let's upload a few professional-looking photos. I already have a few photos in my folder, so it's easy to access my videos, photos, and audio files. You can also add a link to your YouTube and Vimeo videos. Once you're done with all that and are happy, click Next, and it will ask you again if you're a robot, and once again, you're not, and click Save. Once everything is saved in your profile, it should look something like this. You should go back and listen to your audio and watch your video just to make sure it's the right file. So this is what your profile will look like, and it's easy to edit it down the road. So let's get back to My Account. This is your dashboard, and it's a good one. And under My Orders, you'll find your projects from our lovely nonprofits. Remember, you can edit your profile here. You can view your messages, see your membership, so let's click on that. And we'll see that our membership says a 6-month member. Then you can go to your balances and invoices. Remember, your membership may be considered a business expense, so ask your tax professional. Under Settings, you can enter and change all of this information, like your username. Remember, your display name should be something professional and easy to recognize, like your name. You can even add your business name. You can also change your password, and we suggest a very secure password. Your email will already be there, but you can add a phone number too. Add a keyword-rich and great description that includes who you are, your voice qualities, details about your recording studio, why you're excited to volunteer your voice, and details like that. Add your personal voiceover website if you have one, your content preferences, your name, your address. Here you can upload your avatar. We require that you upload a professional and clear headshot. You can also include a customized banner. It's 1300 by 200 pixels. And then I'm going to save. So now you can see the photo in the member details, the membership status, and any changes to your username and email address. So go to Search Profiles. And just note that it might take about 5 minutes to populate this. So now there's a picture in the member details area, and if you click on View Profile, it will show you this amazing profile. You can also add text into your banner too. And you can visit your website by clicking that, and it takes you right to your website. Very cool. From here, anyone can message you. It also displays detailed information about who you are, when you joined, when you were last online, what your location is, your email address, how many projects you've completed. So let's click on this sample profile. And there's a Rising Talent badge, and all the information and skills are listed here. And then when you navigate to the profile here, you can also visit the personal website that's listed, and you can see how many stars based on reviews, how many profile views, and how many subscribers. Anyone can also send a message directly here and can see the ratings. And you can also view the comments on the ratings. That's it. Setting up your profile can take some time, but a solid profile can really make a difference, and it's a great skill to learn for the future. Please reach out to us if you have any questions. Welcome to Volunteer VoiceOver, pairing rising voice talent with nonprofits who need a voice.